Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your iPhone better for gaming. To enhance your iPhone for gaming, there are several steps you can take to improve performance, optimize settings, and make the most of your device's capabilities. Here's how to make your iPhone better for gaming. First method, free up storage space. Delete unnecessary apps and files. To do this is by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. To see what's taking up space, delete unused apps, large files, or offload apps that you don't use frequently by tapping on the app, then hit Delete app. Clear Safari cache, go to the Settings, and find Safari by scrolling down and tap on it. Then tap on Clear History and Website Data to clear cache and free up storage. Next method, update iOS and apps. Update your iOS. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version, which often includes performance improvements and bug fixes. To do this is by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and check for any available updates. Update your games. Keep all games updated to the latest version to ensure they run smoothly with the latest optimizations. Another method, adjust settings for performance. Turn off background app refresh. To do this is to go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, and set it to off, or choose only essential apps. This reduces the load on your device, freeing up more resources for gaming. Reduce motion and transparency. To do this is to go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, and turn on Reduce Motion. Also, go back to Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and turn on Reduce Transparency. This reduces the strain on your device's GPU. Another method, use game mode. Enable game mode in Focus. If your iPhone has iOS 15 or later, you can create a custom focus mode for gaming that minimizes interruptions. Go to Settings, Focus, Add Focus, or tap on the plus button. Choose Gaming, and customize focus that silences notifications. Choose people who can still have no tips with, and calls while gaming, etc. Another method, improve network connectivity. Use Wi-Fi for online games. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial. Ensure you're connected to a strong, stable network. Disable Wi-Fi Assist. Go to the Settings, Cellular, and turn off Wi-Fi Assist. To prevent your iPhone from switching to cellular data if Wi-Fi connectivity is poor, which can cause lag. Another method, extend battery life for longer play. Turn on power mode is by going to Settings, Battery, and turn on low power mode to reduce background activity and save battery life during long gaming sessions. Lower screen brightness. Adjust the screen brightness in the control center, or go to Settings, Display and Brightness to reduce battery drain. Another guide, enable guided access. Use guided access. This feature keeps your device focused on a single app and can prevent accidental interruptions while gaming. To do this is go to Settings, Accessibility, Guided Access, and turn it on. Triple click the side button or home button to enable it during a game. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.